How to log in to NameCheap account. So if you want to log into your NameCheap account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar search for NameCheap. Scroll down and you will have www.namecheap.com. Click on that. And now if you want to log into your account, on the upper left corner you will have sign in option. Click on sign in. And now to log in, first you have to enter your username, and after entering your username you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password or username. You can simply click here and then you can reset or recover your username, or you can also reset or recover your password. But if you don't have an account, then you can click on sign up, which is on the upper right corner, and then you can create or register your account. But if you want to log in, then enter your username and then your password, and then click on sign in and continue. And now you will get a verification code to your email address. But if you didn't get the code, then click here, didn't get the code, and then it will resend you a code. And after entering the code, click on submit. And that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.